Hello GCISD. Each spring, district leadership and representatives from the GCISD Education Foundation travel all across the district to announce the district-wide Employees of the Year. This year we had to do things a little bit differently, so we want to take a few minutes and recognize these incredible staff members for their contribution to GCISD and share a few words from their supervisors. Our GCISD Paraprofessional of the Year is Stephanie Heppenstall from GCISD Administration. Her attention to detail has been a key factor in the major annual projects undertaken by the Department of Curriculum and Instruction, and while she excels in her day-to-day work, her true strength is in the major planning of all these events with multiple moving parts. The Health Services Employee of the Year is Debbie Barber from Colleyville Heritage High School. She's been with the school district for 15 years and works tirelessly for the health of her students and is well respected among her peers. Congratulations, Nurse Barber. Our Nutrition Services Employee of the Year is Alexina, or Alex Angwenyi, from Bear Creek Elementary School. Alex began her service in GCISD as a nutrition specialist in 2015 and has quickly risen to the position of manager. Since then, she's consistently improved the quality of food and service at Bear Creek Elementary while building solid relationships with the students and staff. Her presence has truly made a difference, and GCISD is fortunate to have her serving our community. Our Transportation Employee of the Year is Bennie Alexander. This is not Bernie's first time to be named the Transportation Employee of the Year, as he continues to make a positive impact on the department. He served GCISD as a bus driver and a trainer, and he routinely assists with special projects, and he's got an affinity for helping during our annual school bus rodeo competition. This year's Facilities Employee of the Year is Bennie Hooker, head custodian from Colleyville Elementary School. Bennie began his career in GCISD in 1997 as a custodian at Colleyville Heritage before moving to Colleyville Elementary. He's consistently supported all the district aspects, and his hard work, his attention to detail, and his willingness to cover all kinds of shifts, even when he's worked all night long. Congratulations, Bennie. Our Maintenance Employee of the Year is Martin Garcia. He takes great pride in keeping his building maintained properly and is a self-starter. He's incredibly friendly and continues to go above and beyond what's expected and is a great example to our students of work ethic and pride. Our Early Childhood Development Center Employee of the Year is Jasmine Holly. Jasmine loves teaching, and her preschool students are met at the door every day with a smile and a hug. Jasmine is a patient and kind person, and she loves her students and colleagues alike. Congratulations, Jasmine. And finally, our KidZU Employee of the Year is Alexis Anderson. Her supervisor described her as one of the most genuine and hardworking individuals ever. She consistently goes above and beyond the expectations set out for her, and she's a reliable, passionate, and kind and empathetic person. She's a person of strong moral character and an individual that radiates happiness. She's someone who puts 100% into everything that she does. I can't wait until I'm able to congratulate all of you in person, and I know that your colleagues can't wait to do the same. You're living our values of purpose, innovation, and community as we all work to build excellent schools together.